Make a great choice today with the 2017 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, cargo area light, trip odometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.